Welcome back to Auto's Car, where today we're taking a closer look at one of the most underrated but important models of the 1950s, the Chevrolet 150 asterisk. This car may have been the base model of the Chevrolet lineup, but don't let that fool you. The 150 series was tough, reliable, and built with the same platform as the more upscale 210 and Bel Air models. Designed with simplicity and practicality in mind, the Chevrolet 150 was the workhorse of the Chevy family. It appealed to fleet buyers, police departments, small businesses, and budget-conscious families who wanted the quality of a Chevy without the extra cost. Asterisk. The exterior design from 1953 to 1954 was conservative but still very stylish for the time. It had smooth lines, a rounded body, and subtle chrome detailing. The front grille was clean and functional, and the body was available in two-door and four-door sedan versions as well as wagons. When the Tri-5 generation rolled in from 1955 to 1957, the 150 adopted the now iconic look with sharp tail fins, bolder chrome accents, and a more aggressive stance. Even though it was the entry-level model, the styling improvements made it stand out in traffic. Asterisk under the hood. The 150 series came with a range of engine options, starting with the classic inline-six, which was known for its durability. By 1955, Chevrolet introduced the small block V8, and even the 150 series could be equipped with it, turning this humble model into a real performer. In fact, many drag racers and hot rodders in the late 50s and 60s would buy a Chevrolet 150 because it was lighter than the Bel Air and easier to modify, asterisk inside the cabin. The 150 offered a very basic interior. You'd find rubber floor mats instead of carpet, minimal chrome trim, and only the essentials on the dashboard, but this simplicity was part of its charm. It made the car easier to maintain and kept the price down. For many working-class Americans, this was their first taste of freedom on four wheels. Asterisk today, the Chevrolet 150 is a favorite among classic car enthusiasts and restorers. Its clean design, lightweight body, and availability of performance parts make it a solid foundation for custom builds and restorations. Whether you keep it stock or turn it into a hot rod, the 150 holds a special place in the heart of car lovers. Asterisk, thanks for watching Auto's Car. If you're into classic American rides and real automotive history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories behind the metal. Asterisk.